Yeah, on the side we're in Port Harcourt here. We found that the road is blocked, so we have to go right inside the side step to be able to get to the main road. Now this is Oil City. At the same time, it's Rain City. You know, on Port Harcourt that has the greatest cultivar plantation in the world is because it has 95% rain all through the year, and this is not far from money. So it's not strange to us that we have the rain that's actually made a big mess of the road. So we're getting close to the farm. Like you know, one of the most intelligent things you can do is to buy land a little bit outskirts at a good price, and then once you start your facility, price starts skyrocketing. So we're going to head to side view to take a side road again to be able to get to the farm. Oh, it's like some insects biting me. So almost there. So get big advice from people. They just put in the laterite just recently to enhance the road. So they got to wait now for a few days for the road to clear out before for the terrain to dry up before they bring in more vehicle. Right. It's okay. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Welcome.
Look at that. God is there, and I think it's true. Okay, I'm here too. So God is here.
Yes.
So it's nice to be here.
Yeah.
Good day, everybody.
Yeah, man. Welcome.
All right.